everyone, it's Sheila and welcome to my channel, Face and Fashions. On my channel, I like doing unboxings of all sorts. So if you like unboxings, definitely hit that subscribe button down below. I would love to have you join me. And to my returning subscribers, as always, thank you and welcome back. Now for today's video, I have a Stitch Fix video, and as I do the video, I'm going to split the screen in half. As I show you the product, you will also see me trying it on. But for those of you who don't know what Stitch Fix is, I made a quick 3-minute little video. You can click on it right here at any point during the video, and it will describe all the basics of how Stitch Fix works and gives you the ins and outs. And yeah, so if you want to know how it works, definitely just click on that video. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's get straight into this box, shall we? Okay, guys, I got all the items ready to go. Like I said, I'm going to split the screen and you will see me trying them on at the same time. But a little spoiler alert, guys, I've already tried everything on, and this is going to be a tough box. This has the possibility of being a 5 for 5. I'm definitely going to need your help and your opinions, and you guys let me know what you think. But with that said, let's go ahead. Oh, my stylist's name was Kate. I wanted to give her props. I think she really nailed my style in this one. Okay, so with that said, let's go ahead, like I said, and let's get into this first item. This is a Liverpool, and this is a Temma premium denim jacket in the color blush, which is a very light pink, and this is a size large for $88. Now, first off, I love the shape and the cut of it. I love that I could put a thick sweater on with this, and it had a lot of stretch, and I feel like it would be very comfortable. Now, the details on the jacket is it has these split pockets right here in the front that's easy to get in and out. It has a nice inside pocket also. You can put your glasses or your cell phone. It has pockets right up here, but I never use those. The sleeves are a little bit long, but that's great, especially if you put on a nice thick sweater, then it's going to come out to right even with your wrist. Or if you have a thin shirt on, just roll them up one time, and that gives a nice cute look also. But overall, I really loved everything about this jacket. I love the cut, the style. The only negative thing I could say about this is the color. The color is more spring-like to me than fall. Like if this was in a nice burgundy maroon wine color, oh, that would be perfection to me. But if this ends up being a 5 for 5, this will be a free jacket, so I will keep it nonetheless. So that's the only negative thing I can say about this is the color. It's more spring than fall, and we are going into fall. Okay, so let me show you what I had paired underneath it. And underneath it, I had this. And my first thought is I thought of Teresa Renee 360, who says, this shirt channels my inner hippie chick. And yes, that's exactly what this shirt does. My inner hippie chick was very happy with this Teresa. This was the Mason and Belle, and this is the Bobby embroidery tie detail top in the color green, size large for $44. Now, I love this. I love the embroidery in the front. It had these cute little tassels right here in the front, which you could tie at the neck if you want. Personally, I like just having them open and dangling. It kind of reminds me of a necklace without wearing a necklace, but you could tie those if you want to. And at the bottom of the arm, it just has these little elastics where it was very comfortable. It did not cut into my skin, and I was able to adjust it, and it kind of like brought the shirt right to my elbow length, which most of you guys know that's where I like my shirts to fall because I'm in the kitchen quite often and I don't want a long sleeve shirt. And I just loved the flow of it. I loved how it was soft and flowy. It didn't cling to any areas. As I'm getting older, I want to hide this little area right here. So I loved everything about this shirt. I'm trying to find a negative on each thing because, guys, I liked everything. So I'm working really hard to find a negative on everything. And the only negative I can find out about this one is you have to line dry it. Besides that, I have nothing negative. I'll just have to line dry it. That's the only negative. Okay, so now let's get into the next item. And these jeans are from Studio Blue, and these are called the Kenova Skinny Clean Jeans in a color blue, which I would say more like a faded light blue jean. Size 12 for $58. Awesome price. I love the way these jeans felt. They hit me. I will show, hopefully I'm showing you in the video, right at my belly button. Super soft, comfortable, nice and stretchy, perfect length. I had them rolled up the way they came. This is how they came in the box, rolled. So I just put a little pair of booties with those. But if I unrolled them all the way, they would come straight to my ankle, and I just completely perfect jeans. The only negative thing I have to say about these jeans, guys, is, like I said, I gotta find something negative on everything because I loved everything so much. Here's the only negative thing I can say about these. Here are my Democracy Absolution jeans that I already own. And as you can see, they are very similar. They have the similar whiskering right here. They are both faded in the front, and they're both a very similar color, and they fit exactly the same way. So the only negative thing I can say about that is they're very similar to a pair I already own and already love. But I'm telling you, these jeans were as comfortable as my Democracy Absolution jeans, and those are one of my favorite jeans ever. And these jeans are just as comfortable. So does it really hurt to have two pairs of comfortable jeans? I don't think so. What do you guys think? Okay, I told you guys, I am working really hard to find some negatives on everything. All right, guys, here is the next top. Speaking of inner hippie chick number 2. And this is also a Mason & Belle. And this is called the Tierra Smocked Sleeve Top in the color purple. Size large, same price as the other one, $44. And I just love this color. This is one of my favorite colors. And I love, just like the last one, it's very light and flowy, but not too flowy, not where it's just baggy looking. I think it strikes the right balance for me. It is a V-neck top right here, and it is smocked right here on the top, as you can see. I don't know if that's going to pick up on the camera actually, but it has a slight smocking right there. And it doesn't have the tassels on this one. It has these little buttons going down the front. And yeah, like I said, the only negative I can say about this one too is that it's also a line dry. That's it. Okay, but just overall, I just love the design. Here's the back. Just super cute, light, felt nice on. Oh, here is the last item out of the box, and that is this. And this is the pink clover Nickole textured pullover in the color beige, size large, $44. Now, at first when I saw this in the preview, I didn't think I would like it because of the color. That's the only negative thing I can say about it is the color. It's kind of boring. But hey, what's wrong with boring? This would be a nice basic that could go with multiple items. So that's really not even a negative. Okay, but this felt so lovely on. It was very, very, very soft against the skin. And I looked at the material, and it's 100% polyester, which really surprised me because I'm like, did they sew the wrong tag on here? Because it does not feel polyester. That's how soft it is. And it's very nice. It has a rounded neckline. And down here at the bottom, as you can see, I'll try to hold it up for you. It has a texture here, and it has a slightly different pattern right there that goes that way, vertical, and then it kind of like curves up on the side and then dips down a little bit longer on the bottom. So it probably could go with leggings too. So this was my fix. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get straight into the wrap up. I really liked everything, guys. So let's go over everything. And you guys let me know if you think this is gonna be a 5 for 5 or not. So we have the beige, I'm going to call it the beige sweater. We have, I'll call the maroon hippie top. We have the jeans, and we have the first hippie green top, and then we have the Liverpool denim jacket. Okay, so here's what it says. For the box total, it's $278. But if I get the buy all discount, that would be $69.50. So that's a big discount there. And I also have a credit of $40.30. So if I get all 5 pieces, it would be $168.20, which, if my math is correct, I'm thinking around $32. I don't know for sure, but somewhere around there, which is not a bad price. So yeah, I'm leaning heavily on thinking this is going to be a 5 for 5. I am going to extend my checkout date, and I'm going to need your help. Definitely let me know what you think. I have a daily look coming up, and I also have another box called We Blessings. I've never tried. Pat from Blessed GMP turned me on to this box, so I can't wait to get that. I'm getting that one, and there's somebody else, another clothing box I'm getting coming up soon. I can't remember who it is right now, but whatever. You guys have a lovely day. Keep a lookout and make sure you hit that little bell, and whatever box I do get, if you click on that little bell, it'll let you know every time I upload a video. Okay, guys, you have a lovely day, and I'll see you next time.
Fun, 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 fun. Yeah, 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 yeah.